This is a complicated painting because it's not just the flowers that you're looking at, but it's also the insects. It's called Friends, Foes and Pre-Rain Forbs. Now, I didn't know what a forb was, but apparently forb is a plant that comes up from soil sometimes after 10 years remaining underground, and is a South African member of the Forbs. Now, this was painted in 2015, and it's really very beautifully done with all the insects in there. I'm not going to tell you how many insects there are in this painting, but I will just show you one or two. Here, there's a moth, and here, a sort of stick insect, it looks like. And then here, locust, I think, probably. I'm no good on South African insects, but it shows you how to look closely at a painting. And I think Jenny Hyde-Johnson, who painted it, is quite a star in the South African firmament of botanical artists.